To change the color of the favorite icon, what we need to do is that whenever we load the post, we need to first include all the favorites of that post and then just check if in the favorites list we have the logged in user ID. In the home controller, I'll just scroll up. I've already included likes. I'm going to also include the favorites. Dot include and dot favorites. And now I'll just go to the post. If we check how we handle the like, you can see that we just check if in the likes we have any likes for this post where the user ID is the logged in user ID. And for now, we have just hard-coded that value to be 1, but whenever we update our app to have authentication and authorization, this is going to be a dynamic value based on the logged in user. So let us just scroll down here to the favorite section, and this is the section, and this is the icon that the user gets to see. In here now, I'm going to change both the button classes and also the icon itself. On the name, I'm going to add a condition. So add, and then inside parentheses, I'm going to type if in this model, which is the post, in the favorites records, there is any record where the n that goes to n.user ID is equal to the logged in user ID or 1 in this case, then I want you to use the bookmark icon. Otherwise, use the bookmark outline. So let me just fix that real quick. Bookmark dash outline. And then I'll just remove this part. Let us save the changes. Other than that, other than changing the icon, we want to also change the color of the icon. So let me just copy this part too and just add it to the class. Paste in here, and then the class that I want to add if this post is bookmarked is going to be text dash orange dash 500, and then the background is going to also be orange 100, and if not, I'll not add any classes other than the default ones. So let me just save the changes. I'm just going to run the app. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that I did favorite this post, but I didn't favorite this one. So if I click and then just remove the breakpoint, this is going to remove the favorite. If I click it back, it is added successfully. Now, since we did include the favorites, if you want, we can also add the number here on the right. So similar to what we have in here for the like and the comments, we can also add it for the favorite. Let us go back to Visual Studio. In here in the view, after the form, you can just add an A tag. Just add it here. This is going to be favorites.count. And if you want, we can also only show this when the post is favorited at least once. So model .favorites.count is greater than 0, then we want to show the count. Another thing we can do in here is that we can add this code at the top, because as you can see, this is just a duplicated code in here. So let us just scroll up, and then here I'll just define boolean is favorited is equal to, and this is going to be just model.favorites.any and then n.user ID is equal to 1. This is basically just the logged in user, and boolean is liked the same way. We're going to use now the likes. And then let us just scroll down. Let us replace this one with is liked. and this one down here with is liked as well. Let us scroll some more down. Let us change this to is favorited, and then down here as well. Let us now save the changes, and I'm just going to run the app, or I'm just going to restart the app. Let us scroll down. We can see that we see the one, but it's not like aligned to this, so I'm just going to click, it's removed. If I like, I can see it in here. So, I mean, you can keep the favorite part optional. So let me just go and show you how to fix this, like to make this inline. If you scroll up in here, you are going to see that the div that has the number and the form is basically a flex item center, and it has a gap. Let me just copy and make this one a flex as well. And if you want to make like the gap a little bit smaller, you can just change this to gap 2, for example. Save the changes. I'm going to just hot reload. Then I'll just go back to the app. And then here you can see that the one is next to the favorite. And if another user favorites the same post, this number is going to be increased. If no one favorites it, then it's gone.